Take that hair down, baby.
All up in that.
Whoa! Look at that. Look at that fierce backhand now.
You know you want to say.
She's like, ah!
I'm zooming into you.
Oh.
Come on.
So you can't do that cute thing anymore. We know you got a hair flip up in there.
Uh-huh. I can feel it.
You can feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, then she doesn't need to do
No, I'm gonna just touch your shoulder. I'm touching your shoulder.
No.
Ow!
Damn.
Ah!
Stop.
Okay, I can get a video of the video.
Oh, okay. Now we're zooming in on the Sammy.
I'm kind of scared. I feel like...
Okay, if you flip your hair, we'll leave you alone.
Yeah, come on.
This isn't harassment at all.
No.
Come on, guys.
Okay, it totally is. Okay, well,
Oh, okay.
Somebody flip their hair.
Somebody at least be hot. Let me just do something hot, please.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, let's see that leg up
That is-
again. Come
that's
on,
all
let's
I
go.
wanted, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted. Not flipping your hair, Sam. You can hear that.